In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new user in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what details to enter, and how to choose the right access so your new teammate can get started confidently and securely. First, make sure you're signed into Xero with a role that can manage users. From the Xero dashboard, head to the top of the screen and click your name. This opens a quick menu for your account. From there, choose Settings to get into the area where company-level controls live. In Settings, select Users. This is the hub where you can see who already has access and where you'll invite new people. Next, click Invite a User. You'll see a simple form. Start by entering the person's first name and last name exactly as you want him to appear in Xero. Then add their email address. Use a current, work-appropriate email that they check regularly because this is where the invitation will be delivered. Take a moment to double-check spelling. A small typo can delay access and cause confusion. Now it's time to set permissions. Xero lets you tailor access so people only see what they need. You'll choose from areas like projects, payroll admin, and business and accounting. Projects access is ideal for team members who track project time and costs or need to manage project budgets and invoices. Payroll admin is for those who will run payroll, view employee information, or handle pay runs. Only grant this to trusted staff who need to see sensitive payroll data. Business and accounting covers core tasks such as bank reconciliation, bills, invoices, reporting, and advisor-level functions. Keep this as limited as possible to match the person's role. Start with the minimum they need and increase later if necessary. If you're unsure, check with your finance lead or compare with similar users' access for consistency. When everything looks right, click Send Invite. Xero will email the person an invitation to join your organization. Until they accept, their status will appear as pending on the user's page. If they mention not seeing the email, ask them to check junk or spam and confirm the address you entered is correct. Once they accept, their access will reflect the permissions you chose and they'll be able to sign in and get to work. That's all there is to it. Click your name, go to Settings, open Users, invite the person, enter their details, set the right permissions, and send. Thanks for watching and happy onboarding in Xero.